So this colony went into winter at 70 pounds, a few pounds shy of where I would like to be, but still should be plenty enough. It was wrapped together with its sister colony, a little bit of this between, and a bit of wraparound to hold it all together. On here I've got a scale, got that tared to 0. Process is quite simple. Take these off. Take this off. Put my hand on here. I feel the warmth across the lot of it. That's a good sign. Take the little bit of smoke. Pry apart the bottom board. Lift the thing off. Put it on the scale and see it's 47 pounds. It went into winter at 70, so it's lost 23, which is about average. That's the dead on the bottom board. Not very many in the center. So I'll just take this over here. Scrape the dead out. Put the board back. Lift the hive up. Peek on the bottom. As you can see, that's doing pretty well for bees. Bees all the way down to the bottom. So this on a 50-degree day, that means there's bees all the way probably to the seam at the top, because I can feel the heat up there, and that's where they are. So that's a hive in good shape this time of year. And credit where it's due. I mean, this is a colony from one of the queens that I took from a cell from my friend Yuki, and she was a 2019 queen, and I liked what she did last year, so I let her head her colony into the fall. Normally I like to go into the colony with new queens every fall, but this one's kind of sentimental, so there you go.